The main thing that made me want to study here is when I came on the open day.
It was absolutely amazing. Like, everybody was so friendly, everyone was so happy.
A small town that is with a majority of the population are all students.
Aberystwyth was really, really good for scholarships and bursaries and things like that. So that was a massive deciding factor. And the course is really customisable.
Each lecturer has a very different style of teaching. It's very tried and tested for them, and they know how to get the results.
I could see what the world was made up of maths and like how it was all used in daily life, like your telephones, your computers. They all came from maths and I was interested.
If you're not necessarily sure which part of mathematics you want to go down yet, this is probably a good place to come.
You could be doing the exact same course as somebody else, but you could be doing completely different modules, so you could be going down different routes.
To start off with, you had the pure mathematics, applied mathematics and statistics. That's in your first year, basically a bit of an extension on A-level maths.
Second year you get a bit of choice, but then third year is completely your own choice. So that was a big deal because I could choose to do more stats, is what I prefer.
I got rid of statistics. I'm more of an applied girl.
I've completely changed through my course what I thought I liked in maths and what I seem to like a lot better by the end of the course, and they've allowed me to do that.
Everybody has their own strengths and weaknesses. You'll pick up quickly on what's your favourite type of maths.
I think go for it. Although it's small, it's got a really good community atmosphere and there's plenty to do if you go looking for it.
It's amazing, like there's so many more doors that open, you find so many different more routes that you can go down.
I would say they just need to get down here and walk around the town on like a busy afternoon, just walk through the streets and just go down to the beach, get a feel for the place, walk around campus, and you will fall in love with it.